Good evening. My name is student clinician Tyrone Bird. I'm going to do a couple projections of the lower extremities today, starting off with the tibula and fibula. We're going to do two projections, one being the AP projection and then the lateral projection. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to do tabletop imaging. So we're going to simulate this is a tabletop image receptor. It's 14 by 17. SID for both of these images is going to be 48. And we're going to start out with the AP tibula-fibula projection. So what we'll do is we'll place down the image receptor. Again, this is 14 by 17. We're going to ask the patient to fully extend their leg. The image receptor is going to be diagonal. That way we can get as much of the as many of the structures as possible in the image as needed. So we're going to have the patient extend the leg, dorsiflex the foot. We're going to, again, it's 48 SID. Place the marker on the lateral side. This is the right leg, so we're going to place the right marker. We're going to shield the patient for protection against radiation. Patient's going to hold still. We're going to have the central ray perpendicular to the midpoint of the shaft of the leg through the center of the film. And we're going to actually collimate the image to include not only the tibia and fibula, but also the knee and the ankle joints. We're going to ask the patient to don't breathe, don't move, and take the exposure. Now, next is the lateral tibula-fibula projection. We're going to have the patient roll the leg laterally on the affected leg. Again, 48 SID on a 14 by 17 inch image receptor, diagonal to include all the structures. Right marker on the lateral side. Again, central ray is going to be midpoint in the shaft of the leg and through the center of the film space. Collimate again to include knee joint, ankle joint, as well as the tibula and fibula. We're going to ask the patient, we're going to again shield the patient for radiation protection and ask the patient to don't breathe, don't move as we take the exposure. So those are our projections for tibia and fibula, AP view, as well as the lateral view.